Well done, Mike. Round 2. What is going on with that?
Okay, wait. Here's some context. Do you guys remember the electric skateboard video from the other week with Mike?
It's a selfie helmet.
And Lisa? And at the end of that video, I said this.
We are gonna go drone racing. That's gonna be in a different video.
Well, this is that video. Technically, all of these red areas are no-fly zones, so we had to go underground.
What's up, guys? We are at a secret location to be doing some drone racing. Mike's just setting up his little drone now. This is just a parking lot somewhere. Gonna have some fun. Hopefully we don't crash into any of these pillars or any cars. It was supposed to be abandoned. Mike scouted the location like last week and there were no cars here. And today we've come and it's just full of cars.
More cars.
Most of the cars are all concentrated around there. This area here is a little bit more deserted. So Mike,
Yes.
see this thing's seen a few battles.
I probably crashed it like hundreds of times.
So did you, this is completely broken, has it?
No,
The body.
this part's broken here. Like
Yeah.
you can see the headlight here.
Yeah.
It's broken.
Technically my first drone was just a little toy drone. I'll leave a picture up here. My second drone was the MJX Bugs 3, which is the same model as what Mike's got. Flight test with the Bugs 3 drone. I wanted to level up, so I got the DJI Spark. The Bugs is a difficult drone to fly. The Spark is so much easier. This is going to be interesting going head to head. I have the technical advantage. He's got the skills advantage. I'm a little bit intimidated by all of this. Mike has so much skill that he's able to keep his drone so steady. I was never able to keep my MJX that steady. Basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna What we're gonna do is we're gonna go from the starting line just marked along there and we're gonna go through one of the pillars and then back around, looping around for a lap and then back to the starting line. Very simple first race. Like a complete noob, the drone was in photo mode, not video mode. So I was able to capture this enthralling memory of that race.
Tonight, we are going to witness the most anticipated match in the history of
Amateur drone racing.
ladies and gentlemen. Let's get ready to rumble!
Let's take off at the same time, shall we? 3, 3. Oh no! You gotta connect the battery first. You think you're gonna win this race? Don't even connect the battery yet. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, there we go. Oh no.
What are you doing?
Oh, Mike's got it. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, oh no.
DJI drones have this thing called obstacle avoidance, which basically means that they'll stop before they crash into anything. That's how it should work in theory anyway. You already know how this video ends.
Ah! Turn around. Mike's won the first round quite convincingly. He followed his drone around. I didn't. Okay. Okay, nice job. Well done.
All right, Mike won that first round. He did a practice round. I was a little bit cocky. He also followed his drone around. I kind of like hanging back. I think next round, I'm gonna do the follow round the drone as well. Extra challenge, we're gonna go through the door just there and then go through the beams back around for the loop. This is getting a little bit crazy. For round 2, I remembered to hit record.
3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so oh, you stopped. Why did you stop? Drone, move. Oh no. I gotta catch up now. Ah! Back around. Oh, there's too much interference. It's not moving. Was it an illegal turn? I don't know. This keeps taking off. Ah! Oh no! What is going on? Stop! 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 All right, come back. Well done, Mike. Round 2. What is going on with that? That crashed. Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing, Spark? You're not even... Oh my God, that wasn't so bad, but what is going on with this?
Are you alright?
Look.
Spark?
Trying to sleep, but the silence is haunting this room every night. Oh, I wish the sun would rise and see the clouds pass by. I didn't want to say goodbye to you, but you called. I don't wanna close my eyes. It feels like I'm falling down, falling down. Oh,
I swear I didn't touch the controls. This is being really twitchy and funny, a lot of interference and stuff like that, and I've ended up with a broken bit there. It's all your fault, Mike. You wanted to do this race. Okay. We're gonna see if this still is able to fly.
Gentle fly. Try this. It's still flying, so that's good. Let's try flying slowly.
The same thing happened. I didn't accelerate on the throttle at all, but it just took off for a split second. I was able to stop it in time. There's a lot of steel around here, so that could also be interfering with these remotes here. So if you guys know what may have caused the drone to just take off like that, please let me know, because I'd love to know. I didn't accelerate at all. So please leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more crazy videos like this, let me know as well. But Mike has definitely declared the winner.
Yeah.
In the 2 rounds that we've done. So well done, Mike. Good job.
Yes.
Look at Mike's drone. I mean, come on. That's busted in there, the headlight area, masking tape to hold it together. There's some wiring hanging out the side there. I've since been able to fix this drone with a 99-cent piece of plastic off of eBay. Can you believe that on the DJI website, this tiny plastic ring costs $14 to replace, and they wanted to charge me $90 to ship it to Japan. That's over $100 for a tiny plastic ring. This has been drone racing at our secret car park here. My name is Lin Nyunt. Over here is Mike.
Yeah. NJX, NJX, NJX.
You can follow his channel. I'll leave a link down below and also up here. Every week I make a video, so be sure to like, consider subscribing, and hit that notification bell to join the notification squad, and I'll catch you next time.
You think you're so cool with your DJI drone. But mine's better.